Easy Battery Reconditioning Review. Battery life, battery life, battery life. Just can't get enough of it, can you? Well, nor can anyone else. Battery life seems like technology's Achilles heel in an age where devices are growing smarter and more capable. You see, batteries are consumables, their performance degrades with use over time. What happens is that a battery loses a tiny bit of its storage capacity with every charge cycle, that is the charge-discharge process. This means it'll hold less and less charge as it gets older, eventually reaching a point where it can only provide a tiny fraction of its original battery life. What do you do when your batteries reach this point? It might seem like your best bet is to discard the old and buy new ones. Knowing how expensive that can be, you've probably wondered if it would be possible to bring old batteries back to life again. Well, it turns out there is. Just take a look at this Easy Battery Reconditioning Review video. What exactly is Easy Battery Reconditioning? The Easy Battery Reconditioning is a 21-chapter ebook describing how to revive old, depleted power packs. Easy Battery Reconditioning is a standalone PDF ebook created by Tom Erickson that teaches people how to recondition old and/or dead batteries so they work almost like new. The ebook focuses not only on providing information about how the battery works, but also providing the proper methods on how to fix dead batteries of any type. Best features you can enjoy from Easy Battery Reconditioning. There are some features you can enjoy from using Easy Battery Reconditioning, and these include the following. Thorough information. This will enlighten you about the detailed ways of using multimeter for testing once there's the possibility of reconditioning. Well-defined list. This program contains also a list that's well sorted of general materials, which may help you in battery reconditioning. Simplified tricks. Easy Battery Reconditioning Kit unravels the simplest set of tricks, which may help in battery examination before purchasing them. This trick may help people in saving tons of money, energy, and time. Secret in buying rechargeable batteries. It unveils the secret regarding the locations where you may purchase tools and deep cycle for batteries, including that becomes simpler for people to recondition them. Secret strategy. This program serves as a secret strategy in imparting renewed life to rechargeable batteries, which have worn out or aren't able to charge anymore. Pros. Affordable guide is straightforward to follow. Come with illustrations that make the learning curve very fun and engaging. Teaches one everything they need to know about batteries. Helps to minimize operation costs significantly. Cons. None of the lessons have a video format. Suitable only for those who have a lot of time on their hands. To buy Easy Battery Reconditioning from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.